Man, as y'all can see at the introduction, beginning of this video, we back at Trophy Club. It's been a minute since I gave y'all a good track day, but right now I'm currently at my shop. I just came over here. As y'all can see, I have the Banshee and the TRX 450 wrapped up. That's due to me spraying some paint. This bumper actually came out pretty decent for what it is, but yeah, man, I just wanted to go ahead and just kind of start filming myself a little bit more so y'all know who I am. A lot of times I just shoot POV, and today on this video, I'm hoping that we're gonna have some really lit content. I have Immaculate Visuals, I believe that's his name, but I know it's Immaculate. He's coming over. I'm gonna try to leave his link and everything, where you can contact him in the description. But yeah, man, as y'all can see, man, we got the little pieces painted that go inside that bumper. And I don't really come over here to the shop all the time because I don't have a lot of business, but I did get it really wet. The few things I do them very well. I don't take on jobs unless I know I'm doing very well, or I'll bring in help. But that's looking really, really nice. I didn't want to come over here and disturb it too much because the temps is dropping, so it'll take a little bit longer for stuff to cure. And I'm just trying to make sure that all my edges are wet, all off in here. I don't feel no dry spots, none at the top. That's a good thing, all the proper coverage. And that's what we aiming for on everything that we spray over here at Straight Line Customs. Whether I do it myself or anything that I'm associated or affiliated with. But yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned. Finna go ahead and load up. As y'all can hear, got stuff falling because I'm just trying to go ahead and get this video. I'm supposed to be at the track in the next probably 30 to 40 minutes. So y'all stay tuned. So this gonna be mine's right here, man. Y'all see who we got in the building, man.
We vibing, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Positive
man.
vibes, we finna make some magic. Let's get to it. You already know. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. So, man, we over here at Trophy Club. We got Immaculate Visuals with me. And we got my guy, man. Dion, man. The Motivator is in the building. Y'all see him doing this thing right there? So, I ain't gonna disturb him. Yep, so as y'all can see, we finna go ahead, finna unload this, mix the gas, do what I need to do. And man, y'all just stay tuned, man. Let me see if he got something to say real quick though. What's up, man?
Hey, what's going on, baby? Hey, we here, man, live and direct, man. Y'all see it, man. He about to cut up on his Banshee. We out here finna get some footage, man. We finna go crazy, man. Y'all stay tuned, be on the lookout. Man, listen, Blaze is one of the hottest riders out here, bro. One of the hottest in the street. And my boy from Alabama, so you know we gotta show love to the Bama, baby. Hey, look,
Yeah,
we
man.
here. Can I be real? Let's get it.
Yeah. Finally got it started, man. This is my Snapchat. I was filming for YouTube earlier, so this for the Snap, man. We got Dion the Motivator, one of my mentors.
Y'all see it. Can I be real productions?
Can I Be Real Productions right there, man. We got Immaculate Visuals. This for my Snap right here.
Bring some magic, you already know. Immaculate visuals. Watch and see.
So you want me to give it a little gas? Here we go. You ready? All right. finally got this thing started. It took a while. I was feeling embarrassed for a minute. Popcorn maker right there, man. Just want to make sure that the carbon don't build up. Woo!
That's gonna sound good. That's gonna sound good.
Got that off. So yeah, that's how that's gonna go, man. You ready, man?
Ready. Yes, sir.
Dion, what's happening? You ready?
Hey man, let's get it. Let's get it.
And the boy talking about do this thing automatic. How dare y'all insult me, man?
Hey, he said, ain't no automatic. This 3, 4, 5 gigs. We gotta keep kicking.
6 gears.
6, God.
Yeah.
Hey, you ready before we get to
Okay. Y'all stay tuned.
When y'all go to the bag.
We gonna run it?
Okay, bet.
Watch out.
Right here.
You know. What frame rate you filming in right now?
I don't even know, bro. This is phone.
Okay.
Yeah, it may be what I need to do.
After we run this, I say, because put it at like 60 or 120. That way, like, so you can, but I'm good. He editing,
I'm gonna change mine though.